Aries, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. In today's reading, tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. This is not a one-to-one reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-relate or makaka-resonate. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Aries. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for notification from this channel. Tingnan natin anong nangyayari sa inyong love life or romantic connection. Okay, ano yung mga energies and messages for Aries? Merong the butterfly. Relationship evolving to the next phase. Healing the inner child and growth. Merong development sa inyong relasyon. Okay? Moving to the next phase. Leveling up. The chaser. Chaser in codependent relationship. Fear of abandonment issue. Okay? So, merong abandonment issue. Merong fear. Codependency sa partner. Parang dependent kayo no, sa partner or it's the other way around, vice versa. Photograph. Looking at your photos, missing you, nostalgia, make new memories. Okay? So this is you, Aries. Tinitingnan ninyo yung mga photos or memories or videos ninyo ng person mo. Or this is your person, they miss you. Nagbabrowse kayo ng mga pictures ninyong dalawa. Paradise. Happiness, expansion, joy, playfulness, oneness, enjoying each other. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you are in paradise. You feel so happy. Yeah. Kasama ninyo yung person ninyo. Merong playfulness. Okay. Okay. Maayos, maganda ang relasyon. Yeah. For some of you, merong codependency sa relasyon. Okay. Tingnan natin ano yung messages from the tarot for Aries. Aries, please, Aries. Messages, insights for Aries on love and romance. Okay. Yeah, so yung person nyo nag-iisip, yeah, parang you are referring or you are connecting to a person na ex mo. Okay? Yeah. Meron silang malalim na connection sa inyo, Aries, and yung iba nag-iisip na balikan ka. Okay? Parang gusto nila makipag-connect ulit sa inyo, but then merong hesitation sa part niya. Maybe it's because you are defensive or protective of yourself. So, parang walang alignment, no? Sa energies ninyong dalawa. Tingnan natin. Ano yung the world for Aries? Yeah, 7 of Cups. Yeah. So, parang nagdedesisyon ngayon yung person ninyo. Parang hindi ganun kadali mag-decide din para sa kanya, pero naisip ka niya. Parang gusto niya mag-connect ulit sa'yo or gusto kanyang balikan. Merong urge sa kanya, alright? Pero parang merong hesitation at the same time. It's because parang wala ng very protective ka din sa sarili mo, Aries. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, and yung person mo, naisip niya or feeling niya parang madami ka ring options sa part mo. Parang merong wholeness and completeness sa self mo, Aries, and yun yung naisip ng person mo. That's why medyo hesitant din siya na lumapit, pero naiisip ka niya. Okay? You're on your own, Aries. Yeah, you are independent. Okay? And you are doing well in your work or sa trabaho mo. Yan natin, 6 of Swords. Yeah, Ace of Wands. Yes. Hindi ka makakalimutan ng person mo. Naalala ka pa rin niya. Naisip niya yung dati. Okay? Yan. Gusto niya mag-umpisa uli. With you. Gusto niya mag-umpisa uli with you. Naisip niya yun. Yeah. Gusto niya makipag-communicate. Okay? So, nag-iisip siya ng mga paraan kung paano. Seven of Pentacles, yes, hindi niya alam or hindi siya sigurado kung magiging successful siya. Hindi siya sigurado kung magiging okay if ever man mag-take siya ng chance or ng action towards you. Hindi siya ganun kasigurado. Okay? Yeah. Parang may pride din yung tao na to, Aries. Okay. Yeah, maybe he's thinking about traveling to see you. Okay. And for some, yung person ninyo may concern about money. Okay? Baka siguro hindi rin enough or nag-iipon pa to travel para makita ka, okay, at makausap in person. Yeah, maybe for some of you, long distance relationship or magkalayo kayo. Okay. Yeah, 5 of Cups. Yes. Parang na-disappoint ka na dati, no? Parang ayaw mong ma-disappoint uli. Siguro, before, parang merong neglect or inignore ka ng person mo dati. And, parang ang dami mo din napagdaanan na hurt, okay, and disappointment with this person. That's why now, very protective ka sa sarili mo. You don't want to get hurt again, okay? Yeah. Parang marami din napagdaanan yung person na to. I mean, ikaw, madami ka na ring difficulties or pinagdaanan with this person. Okay? Yeah. It even got to a point na parang may physical na rin na nangyari. And nasaktan ka. You are so disappointed of your person in the past. That's why very defensive ka ngayon and protective of yourself. Okay? Tingnan natin. Ano yung Queen of Pentacles? Six of Wands. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely gusto kang puntahan ng person mo. But then, maybe there is a problem with the resources. Money is the problem. Okay? Yeah. And then, meron din not really insecurities. Yeah, maybe because you are doing well sa trabaho mo, sa ginagawa mo. Okay? You are a successful person. And merong hesitation sa part ng person mo. That's why wala rin siyang confidence na lumapit or makipag-communicate sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, and for some of you, you are too focused on your career, sa trabaho or business, sa inyong pinagkakakitaan, okay? And parang wala kang time, if ever, to entertain or to accept this person. Okay? Yeah. Parang nasaktan ka din before, Aries. Yeah, for some of you, merong trauma and merong regret sa part ng person ninyo sa nangyari. Okay? That is for some of you. Just take what resonates for you, Aries. Pero ito yung energies na lumalapas. Knight of Pentacles. Yeah. Okay. Nine of Wands. So, parang nakafocus ka lang ngayon sa inyong money. Okay? Sa trabaho mo. Yeah. So, parang sa'yo, Aries, come what may. And also yung person. Although, medyo nasa-stress na rin. Siguro yung, or not really nasa-stress, pero parang hindi ganun kadali yung situation mo at saka yung situation ng person mo. So, parang hayaan nyo na lang kung come what may, kung anong mangyayari in the future. Kung ma-overcome ba ng person mo ang kanyang fear, ang fears niya, or ang kanyang insecurities to see you. Ayan. You just let things to unfold naturally for now, Aries. Parang hayaan mo na lang kung ano man ang mangyayari sa mga susunod or in the future. Okay, sa inyong dalawa, sa inyong relationship. But now, you are focusing sa work mo, your travels, okay? You are doing well sa trabaho or sa business man to. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. And just taking things slowly. Alright? Just taking things slowly. And come what may. Okay? The Sun, let's see. Yeah, Three of Cups. Yeah. So now you are just enjoying with the company of your friends. Okay? Yeah, you are doing well. Merong achievements sa inyong ginagawa. Yeah. So, focus ka lang ngayon sa mga achievements mo, sa ginagawa, and then with your friends. Okay? Spend time with your friends, Aries. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, yeah, merong trips or travel na mangyayari. Okay? You are happy. Okay? Parang it seems na parang hindi mo na kailangan din talaga yung person na to, if ever man. But then again, you're just, parang, tinitest mo din kung hanggang saan yung person na to. Okay? When it comes sa inyo. Okay. Tingnan natin, hidden truths from your person. Let's see. Just take what resonates for you, Aries, and leave the rest. Okay. I am grateful for the spiritual lesson. Okay. Merong, I remember every detail of that day. Okay. Yeah, so naaalala ka ng person mo. Lagi kang nasa isip niya. Okay. Yeah. I can't stop thinking about you. See? Tingnan natin. Ano pa yung mga advice or message sa inyo? For Aries. Oops. And ang jump off. Friendship. Nurture the bonds of friendship within your relationship, and your love life will dramatically improve. Okay? And meron pang isa. You may not always understand why certain things happen. However, there is always a higher purpose to the events in your life. Through turmoil, a blessing will soon be revealed. Okay? So, that's the message for you, Aries. Maraming salamat sa iyo, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!